Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Get ready to take your backyard bird watching to another level with this great bird feeder from LongPlus.
The bird feeder comes with everything that you need to be able to set it up. Don't be intimidated by its many parts because it was fairly easy to put together. It's made out of a durable plastic and even comes with a solar panel so that it can be easily recharged. Once you have it set up outside, either with the bracket that it comes with or just on your own, you'll notice that it does take a few days for the birds to come, but it's very vibrant in its colors and it's nice and sturdy so that it stays mounted securely without attracting or allowing the squirrels to come on it. I really like that the bird feeder has the corresponding app as well as a really vibrant camera. The camera shows everything in real time and you can save the pictures to your device or videos and you can share them with friends as well. The app even has a recognition so that it automatically will know what type of birds are coming up to your feeder. And you can really easily see the birds really clearly and even talk to them if you'd like.
I have really grown to love bird watching, and this bird feeder definitely takes it to a whole nother level. You will be amazed by how clearly you can see the birds, by the variety that it attracts, and by how fun it is to share all of your findings with your friends. And that's my point of view.